First, open the Messages app on your Android phone. At the top of the screen, tap on the three dots, or tap on your profile icon, depending on your device. Then, select Messages Settings. Scroll down and tap on Advanced. Here, make sure Auto Download MMS is turned on. This option allows your phone to automatically download pictures and videos sent to you. If this option is turned off, MMS messages will not load properly. Now make sure mobile data is enabled on your phone. MMS messages do not work without mobile data, even if Wi-Fi is connected. Also, ensure that your SIM card is active and you have a valid mobile data plan. That's it. Once auto-download MMS and mobile data are enabled, your MMS messages should work normally.